In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide layer in Viewport in AutoCAD. As you can see here on my screen, we can now first of all go on the layout one. And from the layout one, we're just going to type on the command the word Viewport, enter, and choose the single, click OK, and plot the first one. And on the second one, type again the word Viewport, and we're just going to create another single one. And from here, we can now see the two ports. And for us to hide a layer in Viewport, as you can see, we have text layer here. You can just simply click on the layer, and from the layer, now you can type the word on the command pp layer, enter, and click on the word freeze. And from the word freeze, we're just going to type here the text, which is the name AutoCAD. Type here the word text, enter. We're just going to select an object, like for this example in this, and click enter, enter, and there you have it. We've already removed or hide the text layer. And that's about it. That's how to hide layer in Viewport in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.